Hello everybody. Today I've made the main shape for the throttle and mixture quadrant. Let's go in there and take a look. I hope you guys enjoy me climbing into this thing every day. I figured it gives it that much more sense of realism. There she be. Now that was fun. Let's see here. The mounting flange is 18 inches between the two beams. The actual quadrant body cover is 7 3/4 inches wide, and it stands 2.5 inches tall. It's made out of welded steel. I believe the openings, I need to add about 1/4 inch on either side here, but I believe the openings are 5/8 of an inch. And of course there's what, 6 mixtures, a mixture lock, and then the 6 throttles. So I still got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna weld the strips on here, and then once they're all welded on, my plan is to make a simple little die using like a U-shaped piece of 3/8 inch steel rod, and using that U to hammer all this around. I'll have to cut that little half circle in there too, but that'll allow me to get all the roundness. That's the plan. This is there's going to be, I have to make provisions for some sort of a shelf under here, and then simply weld on tabs from here that go up under here. So the tabs will stick out there, and then it'll go like that and then drop down, and then you'll have a screw here and a screw there. I think those are just going to be regular screws. I don't know if those are 1/4 turn fasteners on the real aircraft or not. I'm gonna have to make this provision here for these 4 toggle switches. But I didn't want to do too much metal finishing on it today, because I'm going to have these warping and unevennesses when I do that, so I wanted to leave enough to work with. But, you know, if push comes to shove, I can just weld. That's the beauty of steel. So I figure this weekend will be dedicated to finishing that and getting it painted black. I've been looking at the actual throttle quadrants. Of course, it's going to have a big basket that goes down 3 walls, and it's going to have a tube that goes all the way through, and then lots of circles, and it's over here. I think either the mixture or the throttles. I think this is the mixture over here, because there's potentiometers that are kind of staggered. There's one here, 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 and then these throttles arms, they have gears on them which turn those potentiometers, where these are the throttles, and they have the pulleys which go down, out, down, back, and then up into the console. There's several pages dedicated to those cables and all the pulleys that they use in the illustrated parts breakdown. But I'll get something in there. I'm thinking about, because I got my hole saw, I can drill big 4-inch holes, or however they are, you know, rivet them together, put them in the mill, put some detail into them. We'll see. Depends on how good of pictures I can get of the real deals. But I'll see y'all next time.